Hello all, welcome to Scodeen Global. Do you know, as per New York Times, India will be the next global superpower. To make its success, Indian IT industry plays a potential role. India is quickly establishing itself as one of the hubs for AI innovation in the world. As per market prediction and analysis, India will become world's AI superpower soon. In conclusion, the scope of AI in India is vast, and the country is poised to become a major player in the global AI landscape. Please join high integrated intelligent business syllabus for various technologies such as Python, Mojo, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, software testing, AI automation, SQL, PSQL, ETL, BI database programming, full stack Java, full stack Python web development, AWS cloud computing, Azure cloud computing, automation server and front end, business analyst, DevOps, MLOps, and many more. Do you know Scodeen Student Success Report? Please check our performance report, link is given below. It's amazing, 15 to 35 lakhs. Thank you for watching us. Have a great day.